You're going to hook up your high side over here and your low side over here. And for me to get pressure on it, I got to crack off the back, right? Because this should be back seated. So we're just going to put it on. It is back seated. So that's all we're going to do, crack. Okay, this is our low side. We got 7 pounds or 8 pounds of pressure. We're going to do the same thing on the low side. And just all we're going to do is crack it. We take our processing line loose. And we got to get rid of whatever gas is in there. Because we don't want any pressure on the inside to go into that and blow oil around. So I'm going to open these up. And I'm just going to wait for the pressure to drop off of there. See, you can put your finger on it, you can see the needle move just a little bit. Okay, now we got nothing left. Now we're going to hook up to the vacuum pump. Gosh, I should have cleaned my nails for this. Okay, I'm going to close the valve off, or the gauges off, on both sides. I'm going to start the machine. I'm going to open it up. Now I'm drawing vacuum through the processing, right up to that point right there. At this point, all we got to do is open up either side. Doesn't make any difference which one you open up first. And we watch our suction side, because that's the blue side is called what? I'll call it compound gauge, right? Because it reads positive and negative. Okay, if we're reading the negative now, it's going into a vacuum. We're down to about 26 inches of vacuum again. That's good. Now we can close off the red one. We can close off the blue one. Now we've isolated our system into a vacuum. Now I can go back over here. I can shut that off. I can shut this off. I can take my processing off. Alright, at this point I'm still in a vacuum. You see the vacuum? We're still in there. I'm going to take the processing line, I'm going to hook it up to my refrigerant tank. And it's 134, so what? It's a virgin. So I can put this in. I can put this in as liquid, or I can put it in as a vapor, right? Alright, so we're going to go through the high side, because we're going to go through this way, the direction of the flow of the refrigerant, and back around over here. So when we put it in here, this side here will go up and we'll break that vacuum. Now if you watch the needle, it'll start climbing. And there we go. I can shut it down. All we want to do is bring it out of a vacuum. So anything above 0 has us out of a vacuum. And we're going up over 10 now, so we're out of a vacuum. This is closed off. It's totally isolated now. We can back seat our valves. Now I can take the gauges off. That's it. Once I got that, then I can close my tank off.
He explained it now. Let me help you on the road.
That's it.
Teacher.